Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this is a Midea Mini Lite Dishwasher. It's a countertop dishwasher. This is fabulous for any house or apartment that doesn't already have a built-in dishwasher. It takes up so little room and it's so powerful. It is eco-friendly on a light use of water and a light use of electricity. And it's great for sterilization and removing grease off dirty plates. It has 6 program options. It has normal, and that's what you would use every day to wash your dirty dishes. Every day when we eat, we make a mess on our dishes. And to use a normal cycle, you just scrape everything off. It doesn't have to be perfect, because this Midea Mini Lite Dishwasher is going to wash them for you. That's the whole point. So with your dirty dishes, just give it a scrape, and if it looks like it's going to be trouble, maybe you'll want to rinse that off. You just don't want chunks of food going into the dishwasher. It is strong enough to get most food particles off your dishes, so don't overdo your pre-cleaning. After you scrape off the food, load up your dishwasher. It has a great rack system. You can put your dinner plates in there, your smaller plates, cups, glasses, silverware, even the baby's pacifiers, and even the dog's bone. That needs cleaning every now and again then. After you load it up, put in your detergent. It's going to wash everything at 136 degrees Fahrenheit and rinse it at 158 degrees Fahrenheit and then dry it with hot air. The time for the entire cycle is only 2 hours and 10 minutes. See all that water swishing around? It's washing those dishes. I thought it's fascinating that you can see the cycle through the glass and listen to the sound. It's only about 60 decibels. It's not going to wake the baby. And after it washes, it's going to give it the rinse cycle. In that rinse cycle, it gets rid of any leftover detergent at a very hot degrees. That 158 degrees is high to sterilize your dishes. So that dog bone in there isn't going to cross-contaminate the family dishes. And the baby's pacifiers are going to be perfectly clean and sterile when the cycle is over. The way heat works is the longer you have it at the higher of the temperature is what you need to sterilize. And the Midea Mini Lite Dishwasher incorporates this so you will have sanitary clean dishes. It'll dry it at a high temperature as well. Be careful, they're hot. And then look at these dishes, sparkling clean. Now, and if you can't get them out right away, it's okay, because Midea's Research and Development Department has put a smart air refresh cycle in it. And what that does is it recirculates the air so there's no mold or mildew that's going to grow on your dishes if you can't get to them for a few days, or growing within your Midea Lite dishwasher. Now, all of that was just in the first program. It has a few more. It has a rapid cycle. Many times you might use plates and glasses and you barely get them dirty at all. You don't need a lot of water action to clean them off. Load up your dishes and your glasses, put them in, add your detergent, and this is going to be a quick cycle. And then it's going to do its wash at 122 degrees Fahrenheit. And then after it washes with the detergent, it's going to do 2 rinses. It's not going to dry. And that total time is going to be 40 minutes total. And sometimes you don't really care if the dishes aren't dry. You just want to use them very quickly. So you just pull them out. And this is how your dishes look when it's done with that cycle. Midea's Mini Lite Dishwasher has another program I really like. It's the Hygiene program. Let's say someone in your family was sick, or you have a baby in the household, and you really want to make sure all those germs are really, really, really gone. Although the normal cycle will clean and sanitize all your dishes, this is just something that you want to do because you want to be extra, extra careful. You will load it just like you do any other dishwashing load. Now, this is really great if you have baby bottles. You can put the nipples in there too, and you're using this to remove any extra bacteria from dishes and glassware especially. And on the hygiene mode, it washes at 158 degrees Fahrenheit. It rinses twice, and the rinsing is done at 162 degrees Fahrenheit, the very highest level of heat, and it also dries in high heat. It takes a little bit longer to wash it in hygiene mode. It's going to take 135 minutes. So it's a little longer of the washing, and it's a little higher heat of the rinsing. That's a great option. And the Midea Mini Lite Dishwasher also has a really interesting feature. It can wash your fruit for you. Can you believe it? Here I am putting in a whole lot of fruit and vegetables that I really want to sanitize. I'm just filling it up with these. Because fruit can come from fields in other countries and other places, and you don't know who's handled your fruit. And many times you serve your fruit and vegetables with the peelings on. When you eat an apple, you want to make sure the peel is clean. With this method, you manually add cold water. Never do auto mode from the faucet because you want your fruits and vegetables washed in cold water. And it knows for the fruit wash, it's going to just have the cold water, nothing hot. Perfect! It's going to wash them for 20 minutes, with no detergent, of course. That's a good long time to get anything from the fields off your fruit and vegetables. And voila, ready to eat. I've never seen that before. This is really cool. And they have a special program just for glass. This is perfect for the wine glasses I have and other delicate glassware. That's just slightly dirty. So just load up your Midea Mini Lite Dishwasher with your glassware. You're going to put the detergent in it and you're going to close it up. Now it's going to wash it at 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going to rinse it twice at 144 degrees, and then it'll dry them. And the drying time will take 120 minutes. And look at these glasses now that they're done. There are no water spots. The glasses are crystal clear. That is a beautifully clean wine glass. It's sparkling. The Midea Mini Lite Dishwasher uses lower water and lower energy consumption than ever before. It only uses 1 gallon and 1 quart of water for each wash. For each wash cycle, that's 5 liters of water. That's a third amount as opposed to hand washing your dishes. And the energy consumption using this daily will only take 0.35 kilowatt hours per year. What a low energy appliance. This design is ultra compact. It's designed to fit underneath your cabinets, which is ideal for renters and old houses, small houses, apartments, dorms, boats, even campers and RVs. This shows you how great it looks as well underneath those cabinets. Then there's an attachment you put on top to pour it right in there, which is so space saving, and it'll fill up the tank. Easy to use. It has little ridges to make the water flow right into the water tank. And don't worry about your Midea Mini Lite Dishwasher leaking all over your counters. There's a leak protection device in it. Inside, there's an overflow switch that would detect and cut off any accidental water leakage. It's really easy to use as you're changing the programs. It has an LED digital display, so as I'm changing it to the rapid function, look how simply it is to operate. It's just touch control and very intuitively what you press to get it to do the program option you want. And as we've seen it washing these dishes, you can see inside there's a 360-degree full rotating spray with a powerful washer on all the cycles. What an amazing countertop dishwasher Midea has made. I had the privilege of going to their factory and seeing how they manufacture their appliances. The brand Midea was founded in 1968. It is a huge home appliance brand. The Midea Group is a leading global Fortune 500 company. Midea is in 195 countries around the world with 21 production facilities worldwide. And I was thrilled to be able to tour one of their factories. What a thrill. When you order your Midea Mini Lite Dishwasher, it arrives right to your door, securely wrapped up in the box with strappings. I put it on my floor to open the box. I opened the cardboard, and here is how it came packaged. I'm taking it out layer by layer so you can see how well the packaging was designed so there wouldn't be any damage during shipping. I put it on my counter in my kitchen. I opened up the front cover, and there were things packed inside. And look at this energy guide. Can you imagine? 1 whole year. It would only cost $19 to run this daily. That's amazing energy efficiency. I pulled out the rack, and inside the rack were lots of things. I closed it up so you can see what it looks like. Brand new with nothing in it but the rack. Here's the back of it, and we see the power cord, which is permanently attached to the Midea Mini Lite Dishwasher. And on the back, there's a close-up to remind you the proper way to load it and necessary warning labels like normal. Here is the side of it, and here's the other side of it. Now, here is a control panel. Here are the details of it to show you all the different ways you can wash things in the Midea Lite Dishwasher. They make it easy with tips on how to operate it, like how to add water. And here is where the water is added on the top. You just unscrew that, and the water intake has a metal screen. And here are all the attachments. On the left, we have the drain hose. That's the gray hose. In the middle is the water tray. So it's easy to get water in there if you pour it in manually. And on the right is the hose if you want to fit that to your sink. On the left is the big water pitcher that you would fill to add the water manually. And on the top right is the operating manual. Here is the water draining hose, and this is going to attach to the bottom of the dishwasher. It has a coupler, it will attach, and then it has a metal tightening mechanism to make the tight seal to your dishwasher. And here is where it's going to fit in. So you take off the black tab, that's rubber, and then you fit the hose right to it. It fits in very snugly. And then with the metal O-ring tightener, it comes with a key that you twist around and around until you get a very tight seal. Here you see me twisting it very tight so no water will leak. The Midea Mini Lite Dishwasher is powered with a 3-prong electrical cord. It fits into any North American 120-volt outlet. And when it's plugged in, you just turn the power on, and instantly it comes up to the normal cycle, which is 2 hours and 10 minutes. It has an icon of a water faucet, meaning you got to add the water. It reminds you that by the icon. It doesn't have water in it yet. So there's no chance you're going to overfill it or run it without water being added. That's a good feature. Now here I am taking the drain hose from the back of the machine, and with the suction attachment it has on it, I'm attaching that right to my sink so it's not going to fly out and get everything wet. It's going to stay securely in the sink in order to drain the water out down the kitchen drain. I pulled it down and put it even further down through that suction attachment. And I did that with the suction attachment just stuck to my countertop. Many different ways you can secure the hose so it'll go down the drain properly and not get anything wet. And here I am showing it going down my drain after I did a load of dishes. That's the flow of the water coming out, you can see. And it'll keep draining until all of the water is out of your dishwasher. Here we follow the hose up to the back of the dishwasher so I can show you it didn't leak anywhere. Nothing came out of the back of the machine because the hose is secure. It is well designed. Midea's slogan is make yourself at home. And I'm so happy Midea is part of my home. Click the link below to get your Midea Mini Lite Dishwasher. It's absolutely amazing. You probably know some friends who could use this too. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is for easy, quick, fabulously clean dishes with the Midea Mini Lite Dishwasher. See you next time. Now it's time for me to start cooking again to make the next mess. See you next time. Yay, love it. If you like this video, here's some more videos over there, including a lot of my recipes. You might want to try them out. Just click.